Hello everyone. Now this is going to be a really motivating video for all of you who are preparing for the CAT 2020 examination. Why? Because one of the primary things that we look after before we select any of the primary business school is the last year placement or the current placement. Placement will be segmented in two categories. One, tell me the average and the median package of these students who got the final placements. And second is क्या profile of job मुझे इन लोगों को मिला हुआ है. Many of you would be looking after either marketing, finance, operations, or general management kind of a profile. So this video is going to be the end-to-end complete description and the information about the 2020 placements of IIM Calcutta. One thing which I would love to give you as a highlight of this video is the highest placement of IIM Calcutta domestic package is around 80 lakhs. Believe me, it's 80 lakhs which has gone highest, and that is for the sales and marketing domain. So we'll discuss about the domain-wise specialization, the average placement, and which are the top companies which came for the placements at the campus for the year 2020. Let's begin. Okay, so I hope all of you can see the entire screen here. Let's quickly start with the highlight of the session. The highlight of the 2020 batch, as you can see here, the number of students who are studying here was around 440, which are passed out of 2020 batch. Okay. Now the number of recruiters which came for the placements of 2020 is 136, and the total number of job offers which came out of the campus was 492. And the biggest recruitment has happened into the consulting domain. As you can see, roughly around 31%, roughly you can consider 30% of the batch got into consulting. So yes, people who are looking forward for finance or consulting job profile after MBA, IIM Calcutta is the Makkah for consulting that you may consider. The top firms, let's say before consulting companies, or let's say the management consulting companies, let's be it McKinsey, Bain Company, or BCG, everyone comes here for recruitment. As you can see the name, that's all the top consulting companies here, be it McKinsey and Company, PwC, Boston Consulting Group, which is BCG, or Accenture. Many of you will consider Accenture तो यार एक IT या operational company है, but yes, Accenture के पास एक और profile होता है जिसका नाम है Accenture Strategy. Accenture Strategy is a business consulting profile, which is a management consulting profile, which is opened up in very few top business schools. Perfect. Let's go ahead and talk about the total placements. Salary figure कितनी मिलने वाली है आपको? Okay. As you can see, the average domestic package for IIM Calcutta this year is 2020 batch is 28 lakhs, which is roughly 1.5 lakhs more than the previous year, 2019. And year on year, this is just going up. Soon, in a year or two, it's going to cross 30 lakhs of a benchmark. This is what I can forecast very easily. The top 25% of the students have got 41 lakhs of a package of an average, which means अगर आपने अच्छे से परफॉर्म किया अपने 2 साल के MBA में, so this is the package that you can expect. And the top 10%, मतलब जो top के around 40 students हैं, भाई साहब उनको 55 lakhs के ऊपर की जॉब मिली हुई है, which is really amazing and a very good motivation for all of you. दो तरीके से मोटिवेशन, एक तो भाई फिगर इतनी अमेजिंग है, एंड सेकंड इज प्रोफाइल. कौन सी कंपनी के लिए आप काम करने वाले, दैट इज अ मैटर ऑफ कंसर्न. जब आप मैकेंसी में एसोसिएट कंसल्टेंट या मैनेजमेंट कंसल्टेंट के प्रोफाइल पे जाएंगे तो आपकी वैसी चांदी होने वाली है. इट इज रियली अमेजिंग दैट यू कैन एक्सपेक्ट if you get into any of these top business schools. Life ahead is going to be fully amazing. Let's see the segment wise placements of IIM Calcutta among the specialization of sales and marketing, finance, general management, operations, consulting, product management and IT and analytics. सबसे कम प्लेसमेंट जो एवरेज गया हुआ है वो आपका गया हुआ है IT and analytics के ऊपर. ये हाईएस्ट पैकेज की हम बात करें, हाईएस्ट पैकेज इन IT and analytics is 35 lakhs. प्रोडक्ट मैनेजमेंट के लिए it is 36 lakhs. कंसल्टिंग एंड प्रोडक्ट मैनेजमेंट के लिए जो हाईएस्ट पैकेज गया हुआ है 36 लाख गया हुआ है. ऑपरेशंस, तो यहाँ पे और सारी कंसल्टिंग कंपनीज आ जाएंगी यहाँ पे आपको पैकेज देने के लिए, एंड हाईएस्ट जो ऑपरेशंस का पैकेज गया हुआ है वो 46 लाख गया हुआ है. बात करते हैं फाइनेंस एंड सेल्स एंड मार्केटिंग. एज यू कैन सी द फिगर, दिस इज अ वूपिंग फिगर व्हिच इज ऑफ 80 lakhs. Okay, this is the 80 lakhs of figure what you can see, which is the highest package which is being offered to sales and marketing and the finance प्रोफाइल. अब बात करते हैं एवरेज की. एवरेज सीडीसी कितना गया हुआ है? फाइनेंस के लिए सबसे ऊपर गया हुआ है, दिस इज 30.6 lakhs. ओके, यस. अगर मैं बात करूं फाइनेंस के लिए, व्हाट इज द रैंक 1 कॉलेज इन इंडिया फॉर फाइनेंस? इट इज नॉट IIM Ahmedabad, it is IIM Calcutta followed by IIM Ahmedabad and then Bangalore. The ranking keeps on changing with respect to specialization. Sales and marketing is no more less. It's around 29.9, close to 30 lakhs. Operations is again 29.3 lakhs. Consulting is 28 lakhs. Management is 25 lakhs. General management is close to around 23.2 lakhs. अब ये लोग वो होते हैं जिनको चाहिए होता है कि आप मुझे जेनरिक प्रोफाइल नहीं, मुझे थोड़ी सी कोर स्ट्रेटजी प्रोफाइल चाहिए, भले वो एफएमसीजी कंपनी हो, आईटी कंपनी हो. सो दीज पीपल एक्चुअली गो टुवर्ड्स जनरल मैनेजमेंट. ओके, यहाँ पे जो सबसे अच्छी कंपनी आती है प्लेसमेंट के लिए वो आती है टैस. तो टैस का जो टाटा एंड सन्स की जो सबसे अमेजिंग प्रोफाइल जॉब निकलती है वो है टाटा एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव सर्विसेज, which is a general management profile. They go to very few, 5 or 6 company colleges only to recruit people for general management. So profile अच्छा है तो आप देख सकते हैं, पैकेज थोड़ा सा कम है, but that's okay, not a big deal. 1 या 2 साल के अंदर you can overcome all the barriers which you can see. And for IT and analytics, it's around 23 lakhs. So it's all above 24 lakhs what you can see here. So yes, that's a good motivation for all of you. If you are looking forward for giving CAT in 2020 examination, भाई ये इसी साल का डेटा है 2020 का. Consider this as a very good and positive motivation and prepare yourself for the best of the best attempt for CAT 2020. We wish you all the very best for the upcoming CAT examination. May you get the dream college that you're aspiring for. Thank you so very much for watching this video. If you have any feedback or if you want any consultation for your CAT preparation, do ping us on the given number 976961765, or you can put it into the comment box. We will be happy to reward you here. Thank you so much.